With this firmware of the protector, we made available the latest TLS 1.3 encryption layer along with the cyber suites supported by this TLS version. This is particularly useful when you want to disable superseded encryption protocols or weak cyber suite in the email processing. To verify this, open the menu Email, Setup, and open the TLS tab. Here you can find all the available security layer on both server and client side. And you have the possibility to enable or disable each one of them. All the SSL layers are disabled by default and should be left disabled. But you can also disable any of the existing TLS layers according to your preferences or regulations in your area. As you can see, now you have the option to enable or disable TLS 1.3 also. And within each security layer, you can also disable specific cyber suites. For example, if you want to disable a cyber suite that is not accepted by your counterparts, you can simply enter the cyber suite in the entry field and it will be added to the list as disabled.